Welcome to our guide on how to delete your phone number from Facebook on your PC with the latest updates. If you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply want to remove personal information, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. First, visit your Facebook account. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your homepage, look for your profile picture located at the top right corner. Clicking on that will open a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, look for Account Center on the left-hand side and click on it. This section consolidates all your account settings, making it easier to find what you need. After clicking on Account Center, head over to Personal Details. This is where you can manage personal information associated with your account. Now it's time to remove your phone number. Click on Contact Info, and you'll see your current phone number listed. Select Phone Number to proceed. Finally, click Delete next to your phone number. Facebook will ask for confirmation to ensure you really want to remove it. Confirm your choice, and your phone number will be deleted from your account. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps to enhance your privacy by removing your phone number from Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.